Hey there guys, and welcome to my travel vlog for Croatia. Wow. I've been on the bus for like 16 hours now, more than 16 hours I think. And I am tired to say the least. But yeah, I just arrived at the hotel and it's really cute and I quickly wanted to show you so you can see it before I destroy everything. Yeah, I'm really happy with the room and I think this will be a fun stay and I hope I can show you some things while I'm here. I'm here for work though, so as always I'll probably not be able to do like a ton of sightseeing, but we'll see. I just take you along. So this is the room. You have the main part here and then the little bathroom is right next to the door, and I think it's super cute. I mean, it has everything that you need, honestly. Very cute. And then this is the room. So I have a small bed, which is okay because, I don't need a ton of space to sleep. And then I just slept the night on a fucking bus seat, so what am I talking about? Yeah, this is the room, and then also I do have an actual little balcony. How cute is that? Okay, so it's almost 5 now and I'm really pissed at myself because I fell asleep. I really wanted to do some sightseeing, but now I won't have time for it really. So I'm a little bit pissed at myself because I also don't really feel better now. I actually feel a little bit worse. So yeah, that wasn't so clever. We'll see. Good morning guys, so today is the first full day in Zagreb. Yesterday I did have a little bit of a struggle. I recorded some clips for you and I went around the city a little bit, but then I had like a little bit of a breakdown because I think I was too tired and I didn't drink enough probably, even though I really drank quite a lot, but apparently it wasn't enough. But today I feel much better. I just had breakfast at the hotel and I think I'm heading out now. I'll have work for the whole day, basically from 9 to 5. So yeah, we'll see what happens if I can record a couple of things, just some impressions and stuff like that. So yeah, let's get going.
No, but this like.
Okay, man kann sich hier natürlich auch ein Henna-Tattoo machen lassen.
Ja.
Why not? Good morning, guys. So it is Wednesday now. Today I had a day full of work, and then afterwards we had a little bit of a wine reception, which was quite nice, and then we went to dinner. I already forgot what the place is called, something with Otto, Frank and Otto, something like that. German names, I don't know why, but the food was quite nice, and yeah. So today is probably, rinse and repeat, just a full day of work and some dinner later on. And I hope I'll be back quite early, because then tomorrow I will have to have my talk. And yeah, right now I'm not so nervous, but I guess it will come, so we'll see about that. I practiced it last night and it went really well, so I really hope that it will go well. But for now I'm gonna head out, and as always, if I see something interesting, I'm trying to capture it for you. But yeah, let's just see. So today is Thursday. Today is the day I have to give my presentation, but just really late in the afternoon. I will definitely get back on you and tell you how it went. Right now I feel quite good. I think it's gonna go okay. Yeah, we'll see. Today or tonight then is a conference dinner, so I'll probably not do a lot today, but if I do have any little glimpses to show you, I will obviously. But I think my stay here is slowly coming to an end, and I don't expect to do, crazy stuff anymore. We'll see. So yeah, let's start the day. So I survived my talk. It actually went okay. I stumbled across a few words because it was in English, and that's a little bit more difficult, especially if I'm nervous, because, obviously when I'm talking with the camera, I can cut stuff out. I can, make a little pauses and think about the things to say. So yeah, having a real talk is a little bit more difficult, but yeah, I was okay with it. It wasn't perfect, and I tend to be a perfectionist, so well, yeah, but I survived it, and now I'm heading out to the dinner. I'm very interested to see what this is like, because this time it's in a hotel. Yeah, it's probably a little bit fancy, so we'll see. Hey there guys, so I survived the conference dinner last night quite well, and now it's almost time for leaving. I already packed up all my stuff. I'm gonna check out of the hotel now, and then I'll have to work until early afternoon, and then later in the afternoon I'll take the bus back, which is gonna be another like 15-16 hours in the bus. So I will be home early morning tomorrow. I'm really excited to get home. I did enjoy this week. It's always so much fun, but it's also very draining. You're basically never really alone. There's always people around. You have to network and talk and stuff like that. And yeah, I'm just a loner. So after a week of people everywhere, I'm very excited to get home to my cat. And yeah, so I think there will be maybe a couple of clips of the bus ride or something, but this is kind of like the end. So thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this, and if you did, leave a like or a nice comment, because I do enjoy making these traveling vlogs, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.